This video is designed to train you how to perform an advanced inspection and advanced cleaning of protective gloves for structural firefighting. In order to reduce the safety risks and potential health risks associated with poorly maintained, contaminated, or damaged protective gloves, NFPA 1851 requires your department to perform an advanced inspection at a minimum of every 12 months or whenever a routine inspection indicates a potential problem. To perform an advanced inspection on protective gloves, you will need the following: clean gloves. Dirt and soiling can hide damage. A clean, well-lighted work area. An inspection form. During an advanced inspection, the inspector must determine if the gloves are fit for duty and can be returned to service. The gloves are in need of repair before they can be returned to service. The gloves need to be retired. All findings from an advanced inspection must be documented on an inspection form and kept on file with the department. Since you need to have clean gloves in order to properly conduct an advanced inspection, we will begin your training with advanced cleaning. Advanced cleaning is the thorough cleaning of PPE by washing with cleaning agents. It's performed by trained fire department personnel or a verified independent service provider. Gloves are removed from service during the process. NFPA 1851 requires PPE to receive an advanced cleaning at the time of its annual advanced inspection if it has not received an advanced cleaning in the preceding 12 months or if routine cleaning fails to get the gloves clean. All advanced cleanings must be recorded and kept on file with the department. When performing an advanced cleaning, the manufacturer's cleaning instructions must be followed. Instructions are typically found in documentation provided by the manufacturer. In the absence of manufacturer's instructions, NFPA guidelines should be used. If your gloves become exposed to hazardous materials such as chemicals, acids, or blood, you should isolate and bag the gloves immediately. Avoid contact with the contaminated portions of the glove. Leather gloves cannot be fully decontaminated and must be disposed of according to federal, state, and local regulations. To clean gloves by hand, put them on your hands. Apply a mild detergent and rub them together. Use a detergent with a pH greater than 6.0 and less than 10.5, such as Station Care 1851. A stiff bristle brush may help remove some of the embedded combustion products. Rinse thoroughly in warm water. Your gloves may also be machine washed at a warm temperature using normal or gentle wash cycles in non-agitating machines. Do not wash your gloves in top-loading, industrial, or agitation washing machines. This could weaken the protective properties. Never use chlorine bleach or chlorinated detergents to clean your gloves. Even small amounts of chlorine will reduce the protective qualities. Do not dry clean gloves. Gloves should be air-dried or tumble-dried in cool air dryers. Drying racks in well-ventilated areas assist in drying. Do not turn your gloves inside out to dry. This may tear or damage the inner lining. Do not lay your gloves on radiators or dry them in hot air dryers. Hot air drying will stiffen the leather and severely shorten the service life of your gloves. Do not wring dry your gloves. This could cause damage. Your gloves may be gently squeezed to remove excess water from the leather shell. Perform advanced inspection of gloves in a well-lighted area. Check for cuts or worn areas in the shell or lining material, chemical contamination on the shell or in the liner, thermal damage such as charring, burn holes, melting, or discoloration, torn seams or cut threads. These could cause seams to separate. If you detect any of these, do not use your gloves. Turn in the damaged gloves to supervisory personnel and obtain a replacement pair. Do not try to repair the gloves yourself. To check for leaks, put on thin gloves that will stain when touched by water, then don your protective gloves over them. Immerse your gloved hands in tap water 1 inch below the leather top. Clench your fist every 10 seconds for 5 minutes. Remove your glove hands from the water. Take them off and check the thin marker gloves for signs of watermarks. If your gloves show signs of water penetration, obtain a replacement pair. Your gloves must be cleaned and dried thoroughly before storage. Store your gloves away from sharp edges or objects that could cut or tear the gloves. direct or indirect sunlight or fluorescent light, extreme temperatures or moisture.